Yet at the same time, there is still a huge population that doesn't even know. Okay, they hear ChatGPT, okay, sure, but how do I use it? How can I incorporate it into what I do on a daily basis? So even the way that I wrote the AI plus Digital Entrepreneurship Blueprint, I specifically created it in that way, in that I get it down to the very basics of using what is available in your hands. Everybody's on WhatsApp. A lot of people, the majority of people are on smartphones. So it's more of teaching you step by step, like, okay, even start using ChatGPT like a friend, like somebody that you have a conversation with, someone that you can figure through about, okay, I want to solve this problem. How do I go about doing it? And becoming more familiar with it, almost like, it's like using a muscle. You only get better the more times you use it. And then we transition, even within the book, I even get step by step, like, okay, what are you passionate about? What problems are you seeing in the community that you want to solve? How can we design a solution for it? And then transition those solutions into using different AI tools to bring that to life.